How to 1v1 your friend on Clash Royale. So this is super simple and easy tutorial. So if this video does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you're on the latest update. Then once you are, you're gonna have to come on this option right here where it's at battle. So make sure you do click on the middle and come to battle. Then once you do that, it should bring you to this page. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll up all the way on top. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this friend icon right here. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to add your friends. So make sure you click on invite friend, and you can share this link with anything. For example, iMessage, email, Discord, Instagram, it doesn't matter. Just share that link and send it to your friend. Then once you do that, you should have them as a friend once they accept. So just click on their name. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on friendly battle. It should be the second option right here. Then once you do that, you have to choose a game right here. As you guys can see, I have 1v1, so I'm gonna just click on that. Now on your friend screen, they just gotta click on it. Now they just gotta accept. They gotta click on friendly battle. Then once they do that, you guys both should load into the game. Now from here, you could put anything you guys want, and you guys could start battling. So if this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.